Hey, today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to turn on and use the flashlight on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone with the quickest way possible. So first, the quickest way is from the control center. So just swipe down your control center, and if you don't see the flashlight here, tap and hold any blank space to open the edit control menu, then go to add control. Just find and select the flashlight. Now just tap it once to turn it on. See, it's turned on. And now tap on the dynamic island. You can even adjust the brightness to make it brighter or dimmer and adjust its intensity. And now when it's time to turn off, just tap again to turn it off. And now the 2 more quickest way to turn this on. So if your Siri is enabled, just ask Siri, "Hey Siri, turn on the flashlight." And see, your Siri is turned on the flashlight quickly. You can also adjust the brightness the same way as before. And now the last easiest method. Just go to settings and from your action button, select flashlight from here, and now whenever you press and hold the action button, your flashlight turns on. And now to turn it off again, just press and hold the action button and see, it's turned off. It's really amazing. And that's how you can use your flashlight anytime, making your iPhone even more useful in everyday life. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.